2023 aware course pa na aware otumu se nkwakрафo aware mmaba wano ene dose nti eye Dr. Fobih oye mra hwebe dwomnie ewo member of parliament wono so eso eye abayo skonima bi eware ye we aware course ye na ye the year 2004 we 2024 we eye Dr. Fobih ne mane na wo fase ba ko se wo mo hwa aware we di omo bondu omo so adenti a eye abayo na eye Dr. Fobih akofa no abayo ne so nti wo mususu omo papa kra fi stroke mu no enche ye nti wo mo hwehwe ma aware we wo mo de akokot ma na egu na wo mo de nsam yi ekokot na nkyeremu nyina kire se court bi se omo kwan so amane so a wo mo si omo papa ni ahoden abayo no ahoden enti ebi omo gya omo papa ma eye abayo na ebia na ennemu ni ade no wakoku nukra mo mo so omo ahwere omo papa enti wo mo mpra aware no so ensam ne dos na enso ye be court ho ne akokotie ensam a efi mu bai.
I'm sure you've seen the videos that are watched on social media of your beautiful dancing with your wife at that ceremony. Have you seen the outpour of love and reaction to the video that's now gone viral?
Yes.
And how do you feel about it?
Except that the whole report that came out is born out of ignorance because there are lies in the statements. I don't want to comment on them.
Oh, you said there have been comments made out of ignorance. What comments?
I said the publication is what I'm talking about.
Is it the publication
if the publication is wrong, then definitely you make a wrong comment too. So I'm telling you.
Okay, is it about the publication of the 9th wife? Is that what it is?
But I don't have 9 wives. So what is the sense in it?
Oh, Prof. So once I have you, please clarify for us so that we get properly educated. I'm saying that once it is false, please clarify for us.
I have 1 wife. I just married one.
Oh, okay.
I didn't have a wife. So I've married. I don't have 9 wives.
So had you been married before 8 times?
Who in Ghana has 9 wives?
Sorry?
Who in Ghana has 9 wives? I'm not a chief.
Okay, but had you been married before?
That is not important to me because I have
okay.
I know I have.
Prof, you're saying yes? Hello, Prof, can you hear me?
I'm listening.
Okay, you were just about to make a point before I interrupted. That's why I was saying go ahead.
I think?
You were making a point before I interrupted, so I was asking that you continue.
I said I have 1 wife now, but I didn't have a wife before. And that is all.
Okay, all right.
I don't have 9 wives, that's all.
Okay, so
if anybody is commenting on 9 wives, is he not misled? Is he not misled? Is the person not misled?
Once you've clarified, I am so happy to know that you don't have 9 wives. That's good.
That is why I said those who are commenting are misled because the whole publication is wrong. And so for those who have read it, they are commenting on what they have read, born out of ignorance. That's what I said.
Okay, that's great, and it's good if you've clarified that part for us. This morning we are celebrating you for the new chapter in your life. Would you be as kind to share with us how you got hitched? Okay, so Prof is back with us. Emmanuel, is that Prof? Okay, let's get Prof back on the line with us. Hello, Prof.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I lost you the moment. I think you accidentally pressed the hold button. Prof, so I was asking how the two of you met and have now fallen in love to get married, if you can share with us.
Oh, I can't share that. That's my private matter.
Okay, and what would be your advice to to men who are looking for love to get married?
My reason for marrying now is a private reason. It's my own special reason. That's not to me. So it cannot apply to all people.
Okay. I'm not asking specifically about what you look out for your marriage. I'm only asking what your advice will be to men today in what they should look out for in making a choice to get married, to settle down.
Oh, Lord, those things are not, I can't comment on them.
Okay, all right. You've already explained that this decision is a private decision you've taken, and we are happy for you. We do congratulate you on this new chapter in your life, and we thank you that you made the time to join us here on the show. We're grateful.
Okay, thank you too.
Okay.
For showing interest in my personal matter.
Oh, because I'm happy you've had the opportunity to clarify that many of the comments that have been made have been born out of ignorance. So thank you for that clarity. It's important.
Yes, that is it. So,
okay. Thank you very much for your time this morning and for joining us.
But you can see, because some are saying she is 26, 23, 28 or 27 or so and so on. All these are wrong numbers. Yes.
Oh, it's not true. So what's the truth, Prof?
Oh, she's 31 now.
She's 31 now. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. I know your background as an educationist, former minister. What's her background?
It's a medical personnel.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And how are you doing? I'm not suspecting I'm calling you in your period which should have been your honeymoon time, isn't it?
Oh, I'm not talking about honeymoon and things. I have my personal reason for doing what I have done, and that is important to me.
That's fine, Prof. We wish you well, and I thank you so much for your time.
Yes, I'm a very strong person, so I know what I do every time.
Sorry, Prof. I think I didn't hear you. What did you say?
I said I'm a very strong person, and I'm always convinced about what I do. That is the best for me.
Okay, Prof, why is the matter of your strength being raised here?
My strength?
Yes, you said you're a very strong person.
Yes,
why raise that?
I'm a strong-willed person.
Strong-willed person, yes.
Willed person.
Okay.
So I'm convinced about what I do. I decide to do. So I know what I'm doing. That's what I mean.
Sure. And for all the critics who are questioning why you have married at this time of your life, what's your answer to them?
Well, I don't want to tell them anything because it's personal to me, and I know what why I'm doing it. So they can tell all sorts of things. It's not. I didn't marry for anybody. I married for myself.
If you're in Juana, me de in Sembesu Macau.